Bike, don't roll away from me. I am your owner. You do as I say. Understand me? And that's how you warm up a Grom. What's up, guys? Astro here. I made a gaming channel since I barely post on the AstroMoto channel. I mean, this is going up on AstroMoto because you're seeing it right now, but I rarely ride anymore, and I'm still going to be posting on the AstroMoto channel, don't get me wrong. It's just I haven't really been riding that much or really doing much in general, other than, you know, staying in the house playing some video games, and I made a channel for it. So if y'all want to go subscribe to that, it will be in the description. It's like sprinkling and stuff, so I'm gonna like circle around the rest of the block and go back home and, you know, do some wheelies for a minute, I guess. But yeah, I just wanted to say that I had a gaming channel, and, you know, you can go subscribe to that if you want to. I think I'm at like 32 or something like that. Yeah, you should go subscribe to that. Your boy's got the moves. Thank y'all for 112 subscribers. It's just unreal. It just blows me away that I have that many subscribers and I don't post. I suck at posting. Also, another thing, I forgot about this. I want to possibly trade the Grom in. I mean, I'm treating this thing as like a little toy now. I've rode it so much. I'm still a small person, don't get me wrong, but this bike is small for me. I've rode bigger bikes. Plenty. It makes me want a bigger bike, for sure. I definitely have outgrew the Grom. Sorry, buddy. I wouldn't mind having that Mercedes right there. That shit's nice. Made me a little, like a pit mobile. Slammed out like a bagged, hear me out, bagged Mercedes. It is definitely not the day to be riding. I thought I was gonna go home, but here I am, still riding. I do it for you guys. I'm just kidding, I don't do it for y'all. That was really mean. I'm sorry. I love this road. I gotta be careful because my feet will hit the ground. Like I've went around corners plenty of times and had my feet hit the ground. I have to like squinch up my toes and angle my shoes back just to keep my feet from hitting. Because most of the time my feet are pointed down, but not completely down. You go. If you ride, you know what I mean. I don't like this corner at all. This bump scares the shit out of me. Hey! Don't go back and hit that. Just come around the corner and BAM! I'd break the fuck out that ramp. It looks like it's going to rain. Yet here we are, still riding after I said I wasn't going to. Dude, I'm surprised this thing hasn't blown up yet. I'm wide open everywhere I go. I'm just waiting to go, hey, boom! Be donezo. Be done. Anybody behind me? Man, ain't nobody behind me. I'm over here like worried that somebody's on my ass waiting on me to go. Holy fuck, this road sucks. Okay. This is a bumpy road. Okay, we're good. We're good. Is that a hat? It is a hat. Damn it. I'm not gonna trigger this, just saying. Bam. Fuck. Forgot to see what spark plug it is. Uh-huh. It's fun though. Apparently this spark plug is good for top speed riding, so I got me one number higher, something like that. Watch how much it wobbles. Ready? That's from the last loop. I'm out. Did you hear me jump? Whew. That was fun. A little bit of a break. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you liked the video. Make sure you go subscribe to my gaming channel, and I will talk to y'all next time. Peace out, homies. Not gonna lie, I almost say shit right there. No cap.